eat what we just ate.
Everything.
What's everything?
A chicken biscuit, a double cheeseburger, and some chicken tenders, and some hash browns.
And what time is it?
9 a.m.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, what's good with y'all boys? Yeah, we at the airport right now. We're on our way to San Diego. Got like an hour layover. Then we got a 3-hour flight.
And did it?
Oh my god. This is going on you. Your mother, father, grandparents are gonna see this. We're gonna go to the beach, you know, see some seals. You know, if a seal tries to run up on me, like it's go time. Like I'm beating.
It's
like,
GoPro time.
Alright, she just made a jokes today.
What's up, guys? Kyla and Gage. Okay, let me start.
Where are we going?
And we're going
What is that?
to San Diego. What's up, guys? We're on the beach. It's our second day in California.
Yeah, first day we just kind of laid around, got some food, ate a bunch of food, then, you know, adjusted to the time change and all. But
And we're gonna get breakfast.
yeah, we're waiting on breakfast, seeing the sunrise, just chilling right now. We might go to the zoo later. We're still trying to figure it out. See you guys there.
Chilling at the beach. We're gonna go get some breakfast and we'll show you what we get.
Yes. So we dug in a little too soon, but it does bust. Got some Captain Crunch, French toast, little carne asada bowl. Fire.
is the home of Malayan tigers. Let's see if we can catch a glimpse of them.
Tigers, there's
You
tigers.
have excellent camouflage, so they don't like to be spotted.
Where the boys at? Where the boys at?
Three that live here, now brothers, named Cannon G7X and Barani. Behind that fence, look all the way down into their habitat. Too much, but those natural instincts
That is not what a meerkat says.
So see them keeping it up for the skies, also check.
What'd you just say? What looks like ground beef?
The wall. Which is my favorite. If you ever watch the Boogaloo, that's because
Yes, sir. Kyle's too scared to get in the water, but I'm not too scared to get in the water, so hope it's not freezing. Oh, it's too cold. It's too cold. Way too cold, way too cold, way too cold. It's freezing, it's freezing, it's freezing, it's freezing. The water's actually freezing. I'm surprised it's not ice out there. Polar bear's living in it. Hey, the water's warm. Why ain't you getting in? Water's warm. You want to get in the water? It's really, it's like 90 degrees.
No, it's not. Look, I got
She didn't fall for it. We just made the long trek to Jolla Cove. Here we are. Just gonna check out the views for a little bit. Whoa.
failure.
The land of the undiscoverable. Better luck next time. Surf's up, dude. Alright, it's the final night. We're enjoying the final sunset. It's a little cloudy out, but you know, trip's been fun. It's been a good time.